This project is enhancing campus security YOLO-based students ID card detection. Now I am showing the running process. First I open my file on zip-base. My running command is /app.sh. Now my webcam is on. If I want to close my webcam, I just press Q. Okay, now my webcam is on. Now I am showing one picture. In that person not wear shoes and ID card, so that it's detect the no ID card and no shoes. In the boundary box it shows the accuracy also. And now I am showing another one person picture. In that person wear ID card, so that it shows the ID card on the boundary box. And now I am showing another one person picture. In that person not wear ID card and he wear only shoes alone. If the webcam detect the without ID card, it's automatically send the one alert message through the mail. So now I am showing the mail, and this is my alert email. In that mail it's have one attachment also. In that attachments have the person picture. In that way we can find out the person who is not wear the ID card and shoes. Thank you for watching.